Hey, what's going on guys? Jackson here. Welcome back to the channel, and today I want to take the time to show you guys the credit cards that I'm using and the wallet that I've been using for the past few months. So this is a Louis Vuitton wallet. Got this from work, and I think it's a pretty good wallet. It's been great for the past 6 months or so that I've had it. It's held up pretty well. It's made out of cow leather, I believe. It's really comfortable. It's very slim. You can see it's not too thick, so when you have it in your pocket, it's very comfortable to hold around. Opening up the wallet, you can see that we are greeted with 2 credit cards right off the bat in these 2 slots here, the BBP card and the Amex Gold. On the left-hand side, we have my driver's license that I'm just going to remove, and then I am still a student at the University of Cincinnati, so I have my Bearcat card in the left-hand side for easy access. And then here I have just my insurance card. No real reason, just I actually forgot it was in there. This wallet does have nice pouches here. These feel very high quality, and you can slip cards and stuff. I think you can hold about like 4 or 5 in here. I usually only have like 3 or 4. Taking a look underneath this flap here, I don't have a whole lot. I have cash. I didn't even know I had this in here, but I keep just emergency cash in case. Should probably deposit some of this because I never use cash. But now let's get into the point of why you probably clicked on this video, and that is the credit cards that I use and why I use them. So I took out all the cards that I've been using. I've been using these cards primarily the last few months. The Amex Gold card, the Discover It card, I just hit my 1-year anniversary on it, so I did just get that big sign-up bonus. And then the Chase Freedom card, this is good for 5% back on rotating categories along with the Discover card. And then the BBP card is my catch everything, getting 2x MR points. One thing I do want to point out about this wallet is I'm not really sure what the design of this was, but I never used these middle pockets here. If you see, this pocket only goes down probably about half the way, which then blocks the front pocket here. So if you had a card here and then you say you put this card in this pocket, it would completely cut off the top card. Not sure why they did this or what this was for, but it's a little annoying because it basically limits how many cards you can have in there. So instead, I just keep this card here, just turning it around to block the numbers, and yeah, but it works pretty well. And then when it's all put back together, this is what it looks like. I think this is a really attractive wallet. I could have gotten the other one that Louis Vuitton sells that I think had more like a pattern to it. I personally like this all blacked out look. I think it looks really nice. It feels really good. Even after the 6 months that I've had this, it still feels brand new. In fact, I think it actually feels better now that maybe some of the oils on your skin have, made this come to life more. I don't know how that works, but I think it's a really nice wallet, and hopefully it'll last for many years to come. One thing I did want to point out is you do have this back pocket here. I don't put anything in here because it really kind of bulges out a lot. I used to put money and gift cards back here, but it just got kind of annoying because they would always they would cut this side up a little bit and they would always fall out. So I never really wanted to put anything after here. I kind of slimmed down and stopped buying gift cards. So with that being said, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this quick little video. Just wanted to make a video. I haven't made one in a while, and just wanted to keep everyone engaged. Hopefully you're having a great day, and thanks so much for watching. Take care.